In today's video, I'll teach you how to share someone's post on UpScrolled story. So first of all, launch open UpScrolled application. You can see over here UpScrolled application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find various posts. You can also go to the Discover interface by tapping on the Discover option over here. You'll be able to see various posts over here. So what you have to do is simply find the post that you would like to add to the story. Once you do that, under that post you'll be able to find various icons. Tap on this repost icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see three options: repost, quote, share as a story. Tap on this option, share as a story, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to post the story. Tap on this option, post story, that you can see at bottom. Now you can see over here the story has been added. So like this you'll be able to add someone's post to the story. So that is how you add someone's post to your UpScrolled story. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.